Liver is the second largest organ in the human body. Unlike other organs, liver performs a wide range of functions that are essential for the body. Some of them include production of glucose and glycogen, production of blood clotting factors, bile, cholesterol, and protein synthesis, production and degradation of hormones, detoxification, and storage of iron. Interestingly, diet plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy liver. While some foods may improve liver health, others may cause damage and improper functioning. So in this video, you are going to learn about 7 foods that are good for the liver health. Number 1. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best beverages you can drink to promote liver health. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which can reduce oxidative stress in the liver. In addition, chlorogenic acid found in coffee has anti-inflammatory properties, which is helpful to prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Coffee has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity can reduce the amount of fat deposited in the liver. Consumption of coffee has also been associated with lower liver transaminase levels and reduced risk of cirrhosis and fibrosis. Number 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The 2 main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and prevent the progression of fatty liver disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of grapefruit can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in liver diseases, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Additionally, grapefruit can enhance the activity of liver detoxification enzymes, particularly phase 2 enzymes. This helps the liver more efficiently process and eliminate toxins from the body. Grapefruit has also been shown to influence lipid metabolism positively, helping reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Other mechanisms include improved insulin sensitivity and reduced fibrous tissue formation. Number 3. Berries. Berries are known for their high content of antioxidants, including polyphenols, vitamins, and other bioactive compounds that can contribute to liver health. The anti-inflammatory properties of berries can help decrease inflammation in the liver. Berries can influence lipid metabolism, helping reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Anthocyanins also improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in better blood sugar control. Improved insulin sensitivity helps reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver. Berries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a good choice for supporting weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Number 4. Grapes. Grapes, particularly red and purple varieties, contain several compounds that can benefit liver health. Some of these compounds include resveratrol, flavonoids, quercetin, and vitamin C. Resveratrol has been shown to improve lipid metabolism and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. These substances can also enhance the activity of liver detoxification enzymes, helping the liver more efficiently process and eliminate toxins from the body. It is important to eat the grapes with the seeds and skin on them to get the maximum benefits. Number 5. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is rich in betalains, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Beetroot is a good source of betaine, a compound that supports the liver's methylation process. Methylation is crucial for detoxification and the breakdown of harmful substances in the liver. Additionally, beetroot juice can help improve lipid metabolism and reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is beneficial for preventing and managing fatty liver disease. It is also a rich source of nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels and reduces blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, are rich in glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds that enhance the liver's detoxification processes. Sulforaphane, found in high amounts in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables, is a potent antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Cruciferous vegetables also contain vitamins C and E, which are powerful antioxidants that further protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also help regulate cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of liver disease related to high cholesterol and lipid imbalances. Finally, cruciferous vegetables can stimulate the production of bile, which aids in digestion and the elimination of waste products from the liver. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts, such as walnuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Nuts like almonds and hazelnuts contain monounsaturated fats that can help improve lipid profiles, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Many nuts, including almonds and hazelnuts, are excellent sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. Nuts can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol and improve HDL cholesterol levels, which supports overall liver health and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of nuts has also been associated with lower levels of liver enzymes, which are markers of liver inflammation and damage. Incorporating these liver-healthy foods into your diet helps you fight against chronic liver diseases such as fatty liver and cirrhosis. However, while eating these foods, you should avoid the bad habits that can destroy your liver. Some of these habits include alcohol consumption, smoking, high-calorie intake of processed junk food and sugary beverages, various indigenous medications, and certain drugs. Regular exercising, managing blood glucose levels, and healthy eating habits will also help you in this process. Finally, it is important to keep in mind that you should always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet. This information is only for educational purposes, and one should not consider this video as medical or nutritional advice. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.